Carol Roth is with us, joining us now from Intercap Merchant Partners. I'm looking at the stock market at 20,100, and I'm wondering, you're a financial person, you think we go up some more from here? What do you say?
Well, I think, first of all, Stuart, I think we want to look at a different metric. I know that Dow 20K is a lot more sexy than S&P 2.3K, but really the S&P 500 is the better and broader benchmark of the market. I think that what we're seeing is now with financial earnings doing really, really well, and a lot of the other corporations reporting and their revenues are improving, we're seeing a lot of optimism coming out of the pro-business stance of President Trump. And so that is making businesses interested in reinvesting the capital that they've had on the sidelines. And I think if they continue to do that, that is the catalyst to continue to push the market higher and higher. Okay,
now look, I've said that it's a Trump rally, and I think so far that is the case. But we may, and this is just an opinion on my part, we may be entering a different phase of the rally, which is a profit-driven rally. Because the numbers that I'm seeing from big corporations recently have been very strong. What do you say? Is profit, profitability also driving this market?
Yes, it's Trump and profits hand in hand. If you look at the actual numbers, really the financial services companies are adding a lot to the earnings and to the revenue growth. So in order for this to keep marching, we're going to need to see that being on more of a broad base across industries. But I think that if you look at the policies of President Trump and the things that are expected in the market, that is going to be the catalyst for not just the financial services companies, but tech companies, healthcare companies, consumer companies to continue to increase their profits. And if we see that, and we see that symbiosis, and we get that 3% growth in our GDP or higher, then yes, we should continue to march higher.
That was my question. For all of our viewers who may or may not be in the market at the moment, do they commit fresh money to stocks when the Dow is at 20,100? Your answer again, Carol, is yes. Put your money in. Is that correct?
I think that you have to look at your own portfolio and justify your risk, and it depends on who you are as an investor.
Yeah,
so
I
can't recommend a blanket. Everybody should invest at this point, depending on their circumstances.
Where's your heart, Carol? Where's your heart? Is your heart saying, yeah, we're going up some more? Is your heart saying, sell this thing because it's awful? Where is it?
I do think that overall we will have a catalyst to go up more, but I am a more conservative Main Street type of investor, so I'm the one that likes to put a little bit in at a time, look for those pullback points, and continue to deploy capital and have a very diversified strategy, Stuart. So you're not going to get a blanket buy from somebody like me.
Okay, I just that's what I wanted. All right, Carol, we appreciate you being with us. Thank you very much indeed. Now.